You are welcome to the Scientific Figure Lab YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, share, like, and comment. Today, we will be learning how to plot this graph. It is called bus graph. Bus graph. So it is used to illustrate some of your data from your scientific laboratory finding. This one is a part of our researcher work when we measure the concentration of ammonium in our bioreactor, different concentrations of antibiotics pollutants. So let's go detail to show how we plot this beautiful graph. The graph was plotted using this data. These are the days the sample was collected from the bioreactor from day 2 to day 12, and this presents the measurement of ammonia concentration in the bioreactor, in each bioreactors, and these are different bioreactor. Without antibiotics concentration 100 microgram per liter antibiotic concentration to 1000 micrograms. So let's learn how to plot this graph without wasting more time. What you do, you copy this data, you copy and you take it to origin. When you take it to origin lab, so you open a new sheet, a blank sheet like this, then you paste. Now you have the data in origin lab. Because in this figure, the duration, which is the time of measurement, was not put into consideration. What was put into consideration, it is the concentrations of polluted antibiotics added to the bioreactor and the concentration of ammonia that was left in the bioreactor. So we are not going to make use of the dates. Of course, you can explain that during your interpretation of data in your manuscript. So what you do, you shade all the other parts and don't include the days because the days is not put into consideration. So you you, you put the rest one into consideration. Then you come to plots. You are going to use this bus overlap. When you click on this bus overlap, it's going to bring out this graph for you. Now, we continue the beautification of this graph. The first thing is to put a different color to differentiate the different concentrations of pollutants added into the bioreactor. How can we do that? So you double click on any of the bus, then you come to bus color. Bus color. You see here is snow. Put it on by 1. Then you apply. Once you apply, you see you already have different color here. From here, by 1. Initially it was none. You put it on by 1, you apply. So it will show it. Now, the next thing you're going to do, you go to pattern. Go to pattern to beautify it more. You can go to pattern and choose other color that you think would be preferable. How do you do that? You're going to come here, you click on this box here, then you click on this increment lists. Then it will give you different type of color you want. Let's consider moderate theory, for example. Moderate theory. Then if you apply, you are going to get this color. So we change it. To beautify it more, you come to this gradient field. You click on it, just select one color When you select one color, then you come to this top button. Look for the one that have blank at the middle. You click on it. Once you click on it, I used to uh, adjust the lightness to 39. You put 39 here. Just adjust it to 39, then you apply. Once you apply, you're going to have this beautiful color. So you can change it. It's not that bright enough. How are you going to do that? You come to this place. You come to this field, this color. Click on it. Then you can increase the brightness in this place. So let's choose this one here. You choose this one here, then you apply. You see the brightness changed. So you have this brightness. Once you have that, I don't like thick lines, these thick lines. So we are going to adjust it. This border lines. So you come to this size here, the width. You put 0.2. You apply. It has reduced the lines. So this line, we are going to increase it, and we are going to beautify these symbols. So you come to symbol. You click on the symbol, which is these symbols. Click on them. Then you can increase it to 8. I do use 8. Increase it to 8 and change the pattern. I change the pattern to this. Once you change it, then you come to apply. You apply. The symbol have changed. You can increase the size if you wish, but I don't like big size. I like this tiny size. So you get that. After you get that, you can increase this line. It's too tiny, because sometimes when you put it on manuscripts, it's not going to show. So you come to this line. You click on it. So you come to this whisker, which is this. Then you click on it. Then you click on this auto to select to remove it from auto, to select the size you want. So you can put it on 1.5. Then you apply. Once you apply, you have succeeded in increasing the size of this. So you get the size now. So if you want to increase the size of the boss, you can also come to the boss and click. Then you can decide to increase or decrease the size of the boss. I think this is too big. I do decrease it. I use 60. When you put it on 60, you apply. It's going to reduce the size of the boss to this level. Maybe this is too tiny. Can we use 70 and see what will happen? 70. And you apply. Now 70 is good. Once you have this 70, you can click OK. So you already have this beautiful graph. We can change this parameter, although it represents the different concentrations of pollutants added. And these pollutants, you can also find it here. So we don't need it. Let's represent it with what we have here. What is this point? What is this boss? And what is this one here? I think we can also increase this one here later. It is the meal. This is the meal. If we wish to increase it, we can come to the meal, we increase it. Although maybe we do that as we go further. So let's beautify it first. So we come to this place. Just click on the legend and come to this AB. Click on it. It will change what this represents. You click on it. It changes. So this box represents the coverage of your data. So this box covered 25 to 75% of your data. This is the range within 1.5, and this line here that cover the up is the median line, and we have the meal, which is this. Why these are tiny dots? They are the data distribution. So you can reduce the size to, let's say, 14. Yeah, Then you can also make it bold by double clicking on it. Then you highlight it. Then you click bold. So you succeeded in bolding it. You have this bold like this. So once you have this like this, you can change this. You can increase the font size. You can bold them because some of the reviewer professors who will review your manuscripts and they are old. So for them to see it very well, you bold it. So you bold it. Okay. Now we have to put coverage, the frame, to this top and to this right, and remove these thick lines. So you click on the line, on the line. Once you click on the line like this, then you can come to line and tick. You come to line and tick like this. You come to the this is the left, which is here. We don't need the minor tick, so you come to this minor tick, remove it. We don't need it, no. So you come down to, let's say right now, you come to the right, which is this part. We don't need anything, just tick it to make it show, because it's not appearing because we did not tick it. Once you tick it here, it shows. So we don't need any line, only any tick there. No. So you can come to the top, you double click on the top. Now the top is here. No, we don't have the top here. That is why it's not tick here. When you tick it, it opens. Then you come down to the measure and the tick line. We don't need it. No. Then you come back to this again. No. Then you come to the bottom line, which is this button. Click on it. Double click on it. It's going to show. We don't need these tick lines. You remove it. Major tick lines, no. Minor tick lines, you don't need it, no. So you can come to, you can click apply. Once you apply, it's going to put everything. Yeah, you see, it has covered everything. So this one, we need to take it inside. I forget. So you have to come here. You click on this left to put the tick inside. So you click on it, in, major tick in, then you come to apply. You apply. So succeeded in taking it inside. So then you press OK. So you have this beautiful plots. So what are you going to do next? Knowing that this is the concentration of ammonia. So you just click on it and you write ammonia here. Ammonia is NH3. So you come to this place. I light it because ammonia have it has either cation or anion, so it is positive charge. So you add a positive charge to its top here. You click on this to have this kind of structure. So you shift, then you put ammonium nitrogen, then concentration, and the concentration was measured in milligram per liter. Milligram per liter. And you cover it up. Then you highlight everything, you bold. Then you click outside, put it there. Then you can come to this place, to this test tool. When you click it, you bring it here to put the pollutant, name of the pollutant you put. You can put let's say it was SMS, then you have it like this. The concentration was in microgram per liter. Microgram per liter. In microgram per liter. So microgram per liter. Then you highlight it, then you bold. Once you bold it like this, you have succeeded in plotting that beautiful graph. Then if you want to export, you can come to this place, you click on file, and you come to export graph. You can export graph through open dialog. Once you open the dialog like this, you can select if you are going to export it with SVG, JPEG, TIFF, or other or PDF, anyone. Let's say, for example, TIFF file. Then you can select, you can put the name, you write the name of what you plot here. Then you select here the location where you want to save your plots. Then you click OK. This is 300. It is the resolution which is measured in pixel that is required. The one for most high top scientific publications between 300 to 600 pixel. So that's it. So you click export, then you export it. But for shortcut, I just right click, then I come to copy. I come to copy image. Then I come to this copy graph as image. Then it's already on 300, but I can copy it as peng or as jpeg, but I prefer jpeg, so I copy. Once I copy it, it's already copied. Then I come to this PowerPoint. Yeah, and let's duplicate this one, duplicate, then you remove this one that was here, then you paste the one you just plot. So you have this one that you just plot. So this is our beautiful graph. This is our beautiful graph that we just plot. It is called boss graph, used to represent your data. Thank you very much. To encourage us to bring more of these scientific figures, please encourage us by supporting us with your just click the subscription button, you share, you like, and cancel comments. If you have questions, I will be here to reply your comments. Thank you very much.